So let's say you have a website that you hosted in the US region and you bought a very strong server. So it's hosted in a very strong server and someone in China tries to access that server. The issue is they are so far away that the latency will become the bottleneck here. The distance is the issue. Now, let's not imagine just one. Let's imagine millions of people every day are trying to visit your website from somewhere far like China or Australia. Now, this is an issue. How do you solve this issue? No matter how much you optimize your code or the server, the bottleneck is never the processing power. It's actually the distance. One of the ways to solve this is by using a CDN, something like CloudFront. CloudFront is a CDN by Amazon. And what it does, it stores and caches your content on the edge. What is the edge, you might say? Edge locations, these are just locations that are scattered around the world where you can cache some content to make it closer to users. And this is especially common with big websites such as apple.com. If you go to apple.com right now, it's gonna load almost instantly because someone in your region in the last couple of hours probably visited that website. So how does it work? When you're in your browser and you send a request to the server, to the website, without a CDN, it usually travels the long distance and comes back. Now, with a CDN, what it does, it first goes to the nearest edge location. And after checking there, it says to the edge location, hey, do you have the content? If it doesn't, it travels once all the way to the United States and comes back, it stores it, and you're the only one who got the hit. Now, because your request took the first hit, traveling all the way to the United States and comes back and caching it, now other people around you who are also in China do not have to go all the way there. They're going to find the content in that edge location, which is really nice because instead of everybody having to deal with this, it's usually the first person who visits that website, their request will travel all the way to the United States. But everybody else after that will find it in the cache. So it's a win-win for everybody, except that one person, unfortunately.